Hello, this is Keith Off. Welcome back. Today we're going to do a short tutorial on how we can avoid using multiple VLOOKUP formulas to get the information that we want. Now, typically with a VLOOKUP, how it works is you type in VLOOKUP, tab over, what is the lookup value? Well, the lookup value is the unique ID. We want to find this information, name, seller, and department, from this data range using the unique ID column. So we're going to be copying this over. So what we're going to do is we want a column to stay the same, but the row to be relative because we're going to copy it down. So comma, and then our table array, where are we going to find this unique ID? Well, we're going to find it somewhere in this range here. We're going to press F4 to make that absolute, comma. And now our first value we want to return back is the name for this unique ID. So how this works is the column index, meaning that what column do we want to bring back from this data range using this unique ID. Well, in this data range, this is column 1, column 2, 3, and 4. So we want to bring back the name column, which is 2, column 2, and then false for exact match. And press enter. So we got that. Now we're going to copy this over to get the salary and department. So when we do that, well, why do we get back the name for all of them? It's because our formula, we have to type in the exact column index of the value that we want to return. So for salary, we want to return the third column in the range here. Okay, so we got that. We do the same over here. We want to return column 4, which represents the department. Okay, so instead of writing 3 different formulas that you just saw here, let's do this all in one shot. Let's delete this with using a constant array within the VLOOKUP. So our lookup formula is the unique ID. We want to fix this to an absolute column of relative row, comma, table range here. Fix that to an absolute range. And a column index, instead of putting one single column index, we're going to use a constant array, which is we want to return column 2, column 3, and column 4 within this range here. And then we want the exact match, so we type in false, or you could also use 0 in this case, press enter. And as you can see, it brings back all the values that we want in one shot. Now, all we have to do is just copy this down. And as you can see, it brought everything back that we need by just typing in this one formula using a constant array. So that's the power of learning how we could use constant array within our Excel formulas. I want to thank you very much for stopping by today. You have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye now.